Sorry, I could not come this morning because I was in Ahmedabad. In a great initiative from the Bangalore International Grandmasters Tournament Organizing Committee. This is the second Nama Bangalore International Open Chess Tournament in 2025. Mr. Ajay Dharam Singh has been taken over as the chief patron of this organization. Mr. Randeep, who is also an youngster and officer, who has a lot of interest in all these activities. He is here on the dais. Mr. Anant, AISF Vice President is here. Mr. Madhukar is there, KSA President, and Soumya is there. I think with lot of persuasion standing at my doors. So she has brought me here. I am very happy to be a part of this great event. As she rightly said, Bangalore is a city with lot of initiatives. Today, after we started this Bangalore International for the youngsters, I think number have increased. I was told more than 10,000 players are there registered. But still, as Mr. Ajay Singh was pointing out, we want to move an opportunity to the rural parts. That is the Kalyana Karnataka. I was also telling, you can do in my district also. We will encourage for all those things. From government also we have helped, and I will ask my other department also to cooperate whatever way we can. I always tell politics is not a football, it is a chess game. So we should be very cautious in every move in our life. So as you want to conquer a country or a state in early days, the Rajas used to play very efficiently on the mind game. Every day we have to move our chess pawns, how to attack our political enemies in this democratic setup. So as such, you also, these youngsters, I would like to first congratulate the parents who have been encouraging all these young players. The more the chess we adopt to them, the more they are disciplined in their life. This is what I could understand. So all the chess players and their family will be more disciplined than the other game what they play. I could see a lot of from India, as we know, our Vishwanathan, now it is Vishwanathan Anand, Pragnanand and Mukesh. They also have contributed in the international scenery. Now again we have a lot of opportunity. Someday again the chess will take over every human's life's victory. I am sure just I have not come here to give you a good or big speech, but I have come here to tell you that I stand committed with you. I stand supporting you. I wish you all the best. Karnataka government, we stand committed to encourage all these chess tournaments wherever you do in the state. We wish you all the best. I thank and congratulate the organizers who all have taken a big risk. It is not a small job. Making an organization, taking everyone into confidence, bringing all the participants all over the country, and more than participants from all over the world, about 20 countries have participated. This is not a number. It is the confidence what we restore in everyone is important. So, all of you, under the leadership of all the senior leaders in this chess, you all have joined, and various former our IS officers also have helped in this great issue. Anyway, once again I would like to, this is not a one-day event. When I spoke to the Honorable Chief Minister that a place has to be given, we wanted to have it in Country Stadium, but some renovation work is going on. So I requested personally the Chief Minister, this has to be, we have to accommodate. Though he ordered for continuous stadium, but due to the renovation, this place has been given. But this again is also an important place in Bangalore. Bangalore has a very big landscape. I wish all my esteemed guests and all the people who have been the guest of honors here are there. And the Vice President Somya is behind us requesting for help. And I stand committed to help you in this great adventure. I wish you all the best. Thank you.